Why are chickens called chickens? But because... Awful, I know. Don't forget, comment your dad jokes down below. Right, so hello again everybody and welcome back. If you were ever getting rid of a Firestick, so if you're selling it, you're giving it away, or even binning it, there's something you should do, but there's a couple of different ways. I'm going to take a quick look now, right? So that being said, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and let's crack on. Now, this video might not appeal to everybody, you might already know, but it is worth knowing. Now, when you're getting rid of a Firestick, you want to sign out of your Amazon account, but there's a couple of different ways of resetting a Firestick, or a lot of people think that if I go across the settings on the far right hand side and you go down to account and profile settings, you're going to see your Amazon account there, and you can deregister your Amazon account and register a new one, so sign in with a different Amazon account. If I click on that, it then says deregister. Your Fire TV will be deregistered from Amazon. Can't speak, can't read. Deregistered from your Amazon account. This will remove content from your device and many features will not work. To remove personal data, use reset to factory defaults in settings. So basically, if you deregister your Firestick, so you sign out of your Amazon account, once you sign in with a different account, all your apps will still be there and you'll also still be signed in. So if you've got Netflix and Disney Plus on there, once you sign in on a different account, those apps will still be there and signed in. But I suppose this could also be useful for anybody that wants to sign out of their Amazon Fire Stick and sign into a different account but still keep everything on there. So if you want to get rid of absolutely everything on your Fire Stick, you want it to start up like it's just been bought new, you need to factory reset it. And there's a couple of different ways you can do this. So the obvious one is go across the settings, down to My Fire TV, and then you can see here reset to factory defaults, and this will remove all personal data and downloaded content from your Fire TV. Now, another way you can factory reset a Fire Stick is by using the remote on its own. So on the remote itself, click on the right of the circle, so the right directional button and the back button. Click and hold these together at the same time. And it does take quite a while, it could take just over 10 seconds. And then as you can see, reset to factory defaults, you can click OK to factory reset it. I'm going to click cancel because I don't want to do it. Now I know for a lot of people, this is going to sound like a very simple video, but there is a lot of people that do just deregister and aren't aware that stuff stays on the Fire Stick if you just switch the Amazon account. And I did also have a couple of questions about it, so hopefully that video helped. Right, so that being said, I hope you enjoy the rest of your day. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below, and I'll see you soon. Ta-da!